Designed to be a Bugatti Chiron engine on the wrist, the Bugatti Chiron tourbillon combines a 30-degree inclined flying tourbillon with an engine block animation available at the push of a button. The case is inspired by the aerodynamic curves and details of the Bugatti Chiron hypersports car. The front of the case mimics the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille, and two turbos spin while the animation roars. Automatons are nothing new in the watch industry, but for the first time ever, Jacob & Company has managed to recreate a hypersports car engine in a tourbillon-powered timepiece. Push the right-hand crown and the tiny and very complicated crankshaft in the engine block turns. The 16 pistons fire and pump up and down inside the sapphire crystal engine block, recreating the action of the famous Bugatti W16 engine. The engine movement is suspended by 4 shock-absorbing springs, like the shocks in a Bugatti hypersports car. As the movement is constantly in motion, Jacob & Company had to come up with a sophisticated gimbal system so the crowns can work to set the time, wind the watch, and activate the animation. The flying tourbillon is inclined 30 degrees and makes 1 revolution in 60 seconds. The Bugatti Chiron tourbillon by Jacob & Company. For the first time ever, a Bugatti W16 engine on your wrist.